Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add card view to your Smartsheet dashboard. This is a fantastic way to visualize your data in a more dynamic and organized format, making it easier to track tasks, projects, or any information that benefits from a card-based layout. To get started, open your browser and head over to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your sheets and dashboards are stored. Now that you're on your homepage, take a moment to browse through your existing files or sheets. Look for the specific sheet you want to work with and click on it to open it. This is the sheet where you'll be setting up the card view that will eventually appear on your dashboard. Once your sheet is open, you'll notice view options at the top of the screen. Click on grid or table to reveal a drop-down menu. Then select card from the available options. Now here's something important to note. If you find that the card option is grayed out or you can't click it, this means your sheet doesn't have the required column types yet. To fix this, you'll need to add either a drop list column, a contact list column, or a symbol type column to your sheet. These column types are necessary for Smartsheet to organize your data into card view format. After you've successfully clicked card and your view has changed, you can leave this sheet as is. The card view is now configured and ready to be displayed on your dashboard. Head back to your dashboard by navigating through your workspace or clicking on the dashboard you want to edit. On your dashboard, look for the plus icon on the right side of the screen. Click on this icon to add a new widget to your dashboard. From the widget options that appear, select Shortcut. This widget type will allow you to create a direct link to your sheet with the card view you just set up. Now click Add Shortcut and then choose Smartsheet Item from the options presented. This will open a selection window where you can browse all your available sheets. Select the sheet where you previously edited and enabled the card view. This ensures that your shortcut links to the correct sheet with the card view already configured. After selecting your sheet, click OK to confirm your selection. The shortcut widget will now appear on your dashboard. When you or anyone viewing the dashboard clicks on this shortcut, it will open the sheet and automatically display it in card view rather than the default grid view. This creates a seamless experience for visualizing your data in the format that works best for your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully added card view to your Smartsheet dashboard through a shortcut widget. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.